So the product I'm going to be using today is Chemical Guys Rinse-Free Wash. It is a rinseless wash. The first thing that I'm going to get is a bucket, 5-gallon bucket. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the rinse-free wash here. I'm going to measure out 2 capfuls. And that's it. That should be about 1 ounce of this as per directions for 5 gallons. I'm going to be using a microfiber wash mitt. That we have a microfiber mitt that I'm using with this. I'm going to make sure that it soaks for a minute, make sure that it gets nice and wet. Let that soak. Is the Chemical Guys Rinse-Free. So what I'm going to do, since this mitt has been in here for a few minutes, it's already been soaking, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash it. Just as if you had soapy water and hose out and everything else. This is rinse-free. Now the way that this works, notice I flipped it over. Rinse a little bit more. That's it. And I'm going to dry off this car. I'm using a microfiber towel. I'm going to dry it off. And fold it in 4s, like so. I'm going to dry it off. I hope that this video helps you with trying to figure out how to use a rinseless wash. And just like anything else, it's a little bit of a learning curve, but not by much. It's very, very simple, very, very easy to use, very, very friendly to the environment. Everything else, I mean, it's a great product. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications just like this. And if you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So there we go.